Today on the boat showroom in beautiful Fort Lauderdale to show you the latest from MARQUIS. It's the 42 and it's hull number 1. Now let's take a closer look. Now this boat has an overall length of 42 feet and a beam of 13, which makes it quite interesting of having such a wide beam on this boat. Now one of the main characteristics on this boat is the elegant spaces. Just look at the size of the sunpad. In the cockpit there's a U-shaped table. It'll fit up to about 8 people. Now as a great entertaining boat, on starboard we have a wet bar. It's also equipped to become a summer kitchen. There's space to hold your drinks and bottles. And there's also the option of having a grill or an electric cooktop, even for here. It also contains a fridge and the option of having an ice maker. At the helm there's seating for 2. The bolster can be lowered down and have a nice comfortable sitting position. There's also a fold-out step just here. So it gives you that extra comfort if you want to sit back. This boat is equipped with a twin Cummins QSB 6.7 with 480 HP V-drives. The console has a carbon fibre look. It's very modern. The steering wheel is covered by leather with polished stainless steel. Raymarine electronics are a standard. The trim tabs are just here. Controls for the power, and also with the Cummins joystick drive. And an interesting piece here is the charging pad. You can just put your phone. Access to the cabin down below is through a sliding plexiglass door. On the starboard, as soon as we walk in, we have a small galley. It's got a conventional microwave oven, a sink, there's a single burner cooktop, and also the main distribution panel. All the switching is right here in the corner as soon as you walk in. The galley is equipped with fridge and freezer. Up the front, we have a table on a high-low, which forms a V-berth. Underneath, there's storage. On port side, we have a head with a separate shower stall. Now we're just giving you a quick walkthrough on the new MARQUIS 42, hull number 1. An elegant boat, something that will turn heads. So if you're out in the market for a nice sports yacht, something that you'll be seen in, you should check out the new MARQUIS 42. Until next time, see ya.